Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to record sounds on iOS. First, what we need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library and then write Voice Memos. And then if we want to record anything, just click on this red button and it's recording. Now if we want to end the recording, we just click again and all of the recordings show up right here. Then if you want to listen to it, just click on it and click the button. You see, it was really easy. I hope I helped you. It would be nice if you subscribe to our channel. Thanks you for watching and bye.